Welcome to this video lecture series on ITIL Foundation. This is Topic 5, Key ITIL Practices, Video 1, Incident and Problem Management. Welcome, friends. It's always great to see you. We get into now some of the most important practices which support the service value chain. This first duo, which are related, is incident and problem management. An incident is an unplanned interruption or reduction in service quality. Our goal here is to restore service as quickly as possible and minimize the impact. An incident is a reactive restore type of environment. It is some kind of event which can threaten the service quality. A related item is our problem. The problem is the root cause or potential cause of incidents. The goal when we do problem management is to prevent recurrence and reduce impact. If you're having repeated incidents, there's a good chance you need to spend more time doing problem management. A problem is proactive and reactive. We analyze and we prevent. Now, there's often confusion because when you're working in a service desk environment, the order in which you interact with these things is the opposite sometimes of the actual order. So let's visit this and see, because many people lose points on the exam because of this. The operational flow, so the way we see it at service desk is someone calls us, ring, 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 hello, service desk. Yes, I'm having a problem with the network. All well and good. We investigate it and we find that there's an issue and they resolve the issue. Now, when this starts to happen frequently, we might ask ourselves, hey, we should look into this and see if there's some kind of underlying problem here. So the next time the incident comes in and we escalate it to our engineers to correct it, the engineers will flag this as a known problem. But you see, because we see incident becomes problem as the order of things in our operational flow, we often get it wrong on the exam because the causal flow, the causation is problems are the root cause of incidents, and therefore the problem occurs first. I'm sneezing. I think I caught a cold. That's the incident. The problem causing is maybe you need the flu vaccine. Maybe you need to cover up better. Maybe you need to wash your hands more. That's the root problem. Remember, for the exam, it'll be the causal flow. Problems are the root cause of incidents. Incident management focuses on restoring service quickly and deploying a workaround. It's quite often a surprise to people when they find this out. The person who answers the phone at service desk is not meant to solve your problem. That person is meant to make sure that the information is collected correctly and to provide you a workaround. For example, ring, ring, yeah, service desk, can I help you? I can't use my email. Okay, sir, can you access the internal portal? Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Well, if you look at the hamburger menu up in the left, you'll find that one of those things is a web-based version of your email. Can you use that? Oh, let me try. It's been a long time since I've tried this. Oh, yeah, that seems to be working fine. Great. You got the person back to work. Number one priority, not fix the problem, not resolve the incident. Number one priority, get the person back to work. Restore the service as quickly as possible. Deploy a workaround if possible. Minimize disruption to users. Get that productivity to happen. Now, with problem management, this is a related discipline. Sometimes it works well with incident management. Sometimes it clashes. Problem management focuses on discovering that workaround, identifying eventually the root cause, and trying to prevent future incidents being caused by that same root cause by removing that root cause. So in the workplace, imagine, just like I said, A user cannot access their email, and so they log an incident. The service desk reacts by resetting their access, and the service is restored quickly. Multiple similar cases may be identified over time, and we begin a problem investigation saying, I think something's going wrong here. After analysis of the problem, which is now a known error. A known error is when we're working on a problem. We know the problem exists, but we haven't resolved it yet. They will document the workaround, and it will be available to the people who answer the phone on service desk. When they find that root cause, for example, maybe there's an authentication bug, a permanent fix will be implemented, and then we would hope that those related incidents start to become less frequent. Maybe disappear altogether. So there's a flow, there's a method to solving problems. Kepner and Trigo and others have developed these steps. So let's look at those 7 steps. First, we detect or identify that there is a problem. We will log it and collect some good basic data. Later, we'll analyze the root cause. We'll develop a workaround if needed and if possible. We will raise a known error record so everyone can see I'm working on this. If you can help me, if you've got any information, share it with me. Resolve it. Implement a permanent fix, and hopefully that cause of incidents will go away. And you might say, why are you saying that so carefully? Because imagine I'm sneezing. Oh, excuse me, I've been sneezing all afternoon. Maybe I'm coming down with a cold. Maybe I'm allergic to something. Maybe my neighbor is frying belachen. So when you get rid of one of those root causes, I might still sneeze for another reason. Once we've resolved it, we can close the problem record. And hopefully, as I said, that will reduce the number of incidents we see every day. For the exam, problem management is root cause analysis. We're looking for a workaround right away. A workaround is not a resolution. A workaround is a way to get the person back to work. That may very well please the person. A known error is when we have a problem that we've identified, but we haven't resolved yet. There's a good chance we'll also have a workaround, but not certainly. Now, be careful. Fixing an incident quickly is not problem management, it's incident management. Only removing the root cause counts as problem management. Thank you for joining us with this video lecture. We look forward to seeing you again very soon.